Hello everyone, welcome to Essential Development Tools module. So now we will be discussing about the HTML validator. Um, HTML validator is basically a tool which validates the HTML that you have written for any web page. Okay, what will you learn in this presentation? So you are basically going to learn about what is HTML validation, why HTML validation, and where to validate the HTML code that you have written, and common mistakes that you make when you are writing any HTML scripts, and things you should keep in mind when you are validating the HTML. Okay, we'll go to the next thing. What is HTML validation? HTML validation. HTML is basically a language. So every language will have a set of rules. So here we are going to validate the HTML against the rules that are there defined for HTML. HTML validation is basically validating the HTML that you have written. Okay, HTML and XHTML. What is HTML? You know all. Okay, you all know what is HTML, and I'll explain you what is XHTML. So XHTML is a language, similar kind of language, which is more structured than HTML. Extensible HTML markup language it is. Okay, here the rules that are defined in XHTML are more standardized than HTML. The common things about HTML and XHTML are both are non-compilable. So when you write any script, there is no need for you to compile it. The browser will render the HTML and give you the page. Okay, both are machine readable grammar. Okay, and both these languages follow the technical standards and specifications. Validation. So what is validation? Validation is, like as I said, these two languages have some technical standards and specifications. So now we are going to validate the document that you have written against these standards and specifications. So that is called validation. Okay, does valid mean quality web page? So if you validated any page against HTML validator and you found that it is a valid page, so does it mean the quality of the web page is good? So that is not the criteria to decide the quality of a web page. So you cannot say that a page is having a good quality even if it is a valid page. A valid page is not necessarily a good web page. An invalid page will never be a good web page. Okay, now why HTML validation? Why we need to perform HTML validation? So if you perform HTML validation against any web page that you developed, so you'll get basically all these benefits, like the search engines makes index of your web page, which will allow the search engines to search the result faster. So your page will be searched by the search engines very fast. And the second point is, so consistent display across platform and user agents. So if you validate your HTML page, you can have a consistent look across different browsers and different devices. Like if you develop a site which is compliant to HTML validator, so that page can be browsed or can be displayed in any browser like Firefox, this Google Chrome, anyone, and this Internet Explorer, in any browser like that. Okay, search engines to index your web pages, this I explained, and load pages faster. So if you have this if you validated your page against the HTML validator, the page will be loaded very fast. This is because, so when you validate your HTML page, you will specify the doc type at the top of your web page. So that will allow the browser to load your page faster, and it will render properly. Check coding errors. So if you validate it, so all the coding errors that you inserted will be validated. Okay, easy maintenance. So all the validated HTML pages are very easy to maintain. Okay, now where to validate the HTML code? Now you developed a web page, now you want to validate that particular web page. Now where can you validate it? So there is a online tool which allows you to validate your web page. Now I will show you how to validate and where to validate a web page.